Imagine launching a makeup brand that's not just a business, but a reflection of your passion for beauty and innovation. This isn't just about selling cosmetics, it's about creating a legacy in the vibrant world of beauty. Whether you're a seasoned makeup artist, a beauty enthusiast, or someone looking to make a splash in a booming industry, starting your own makeup brand can be a path to both personal fulfillment and profitable entrepreneurship. Today at CoCo Finance, we're going to walk through the steps to bring your vision to life in the colourful and ever-changing cosmetic market. So grab your notebook and let's start this exciting journey together. First things first, let's get a solid understanding of the market. Knowing the current trends is crucial, whether it's the growing demand for organic ingredients or the popularity of bold colour palettes. Understanding what consumers want will guide your product development. Explore resources like Google Trends, Statista, and detailed industry reports from authorities such as Mintel to gather this vital information. Next up, analyze your competitors. Who are the major players? Who are the innovative newcomers? Identifying their strengths and weaknesses can help you find gaps in the market. This insight will allow you to differentiate your offerings. Whether it's through pioneering new shades, offering customized formulas, or catering to underrepresented skin types, establish a unique angle for your brand. Defining your niche is crucial. It will dictate your brand's identity. Decide whether you'll position your brand as luxury, affordable, or mid-range. Consider if you'll focus on inclusive beauty, skincare-infused makeup, or perhaps products designed for professional use. Now let's shape your brand identity. Choose a brand name, design a logo, and craft a slogan that embodies your brand's ethos and appeals to your target audience. This step is vital as it helps in building a connection with potential customers. Formulating your products should be a blend of science and art. Work with cosmetic chemists or private label manufacturers to develop products that stand out. This could involve creating foundations that offer perfect coverage, lipsticks that feel luxurious, or eyeshadows in captivating colours. This phase often involves a lot of testing to perfect the formulas to ensure they not only look good but feel great on the skin. When it comes to packaging, think beyond just aesthetics. Select materials and designs that protect the product and convey the quality of your brand. Your packaging should be practical, maintaining the integrity of the product while being attractive and convenient for consumer use. Streamline your supply chain by establishing strong relationships with suppliers and manufacturers. Ensuring your products are produced efficiently and to high standards is more sustainable in the long run and allows more focus on creative and marketing efforts. Developing an online presence with a stylish and functional website coupled with active social media profiles is essential. These platforms are not just for showcasing your products, but are crucial for engaging with your audience and building community around your brand. Influencer partnerships and collaborations with beauty bloggers can also boost your visibility and credibility. While starting with online sales is effective, consider expanding your reach by exploring opportunities on platforms like Amazon and Etsy, or even in physical stores. This broadens your market presence and helps establish your brand in various consumer spaces. A memorable launch is key. Plan activities that capture attention and drive sales, such as pre-launch teasers, special discounts on launch day, and events that get people talking, like influencer collaborations and launch parties. Post-launch, keep the momentum going with a strong feedback loop. Listen to customer insights to refine your products and enhance your overall brand experience. This iterative improvement will help maintain customer satisfaction and loyalty. As your brand gains traction, think about expansion. This could mean introducing new product lines, tapping into new markets, or even collaborating with other brands. Staying innovative and responsive to trends will keep your brand relevant and exciting in a competitive market. Launching your makeup brand is a bold venture, but with careful planning, strategic execution, and continuous innovation, you can make a significant impact in the beauty industry. Dive in, plan meticulously, and perhaps you'll become the next big name in beauty. Here's to your success in turning your creative ideas into a thriving beauty empire. Cheers to making it happen.